What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Pepe, which has hit a huge green candlestick today. As you guys can see here, it is up nearly 15% with a major increase in value earlier this afternoon, since it has taken a little bit of a dip. So we're going to be going through what is next for Pepe. Is it going to keep hitting green candles? Is it going to dip back down in value? And as you guys can see, since about late April, so about the last 3 weeks, it has been gaining a decent amount of value. Even though the crypto market hasn't been performing too well, including Bitcoin, Pepe has managed to stay on the green side and slowly and steadily gain value. So what is next for Pepe? Is it still a crypto worth investing into? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, should you sell it? So we are going to be covering buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now. And as you guys can see, Pepe is literally back up, guys, into the top tier level and near about hitting a new all-time high. So yes, it is performing very well, but the risks are that it may be in for a little bit of a dip due to the fact of how much value it has gained over the last month or so, and especially that it is one of its highest point that it's ever been at. Is also a point that we may see a dip back down. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as you guys can see, we are looking at the daily chart, and the SMA indicator is the one here in purple, giving us the average value of Pepe. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is both the lines going in opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Pepe over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should essentially be hovering around its current price range, which I also agree with. Reason being is I'm expecting it to hit more red candles over the coming hours, going for a little bit of a dip, trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, before it slowly starts to hit green candles again in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, bringing it back up to its current price range. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the neutral side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now, we're looking a little bit too bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction. However, they are both looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, even though I'm expecting Pepe to go for an overall increase in value, I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs or anything like that. In fact, I'm also expecting red candles in between, or red days even, where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip due to how much value is gained, going for a little bit of a price correction before it slowly starts to gain value again towards mid to end of the week, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, is what my expectations are. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line, They're still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they're not looking as steep as they were in the previous chart, meaning this is much more realistic, guys. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, an overall increase in value is again expected from Pepe. So early to mid-July 2024, the crypto should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, reason being is I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the bullish direction, hitting a new all-time high. Bitcoin I'm expecting by mid to end of July, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market overall. So hence why I'm expecting Pepe to also go for an overall increase in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Potentially about a good 50 to 60% increase is what I'm expecting. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market can be, so I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Pepe and what to expect. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are trading at the top tier level here and near about hitting a new all-time high, and it is likely to hit a new all-time high potentially over the coming days towards the end of the week. And it is a big news for Pepe, guys. So there will be more updates on what to expect and what to predict if anything does change. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and head into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up over 250% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.65 billion in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. As you guys can see, it's quite obvious why the trading volume has gone up is because of the major pump that took place earlier on this afternoon. It has taken a little bit of a dip. Over the week it has gained 20% and over the month a massive 93%, guys. So that is how well the crypto has been performing over the last 4 weeks, and it's still ongoing, and I'm expecting it to hit a new all-time high and new figures over the next couple of days and weeks as well. So far so good for Pepe, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen both negative and positive comments around this crypto. But then it also depends on what you're in it for. Are you in it for the short term or the long term as well? But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.